guys, good afternoon. I'm on my way to Pidioran. I have no idea if I say it right, but later, alis ko is gonna be like 4:30 for departure, and the travel time will be like 12 hours, and hopefully, I'm gonna like the place kasi pagkakasabi sa akin ng mama, it's lots of beaches to go, and yeah. It's kind of far, but it's also almost like in Catanduanes or Bicol part pa siya. Kasi kung pupunta ako ng Davao ulit, I've been there, and then at the same time, magkakat yung trip na parang may susundo doon from here, from San Juanico, and then going to somewhere like, ewan ko, pero same bus pa rin daw. But the trip will gonna be at 5:30, and then it's ordinary, so I prepared to take this bus then. So let's see how it goes. So ganyan ka-busy ngayon sa PTEX, as in may stress ka, ang hirap pumanap ng upuan, and yeah. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, ciao for now.